To install the rear bumper on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set, and remove the key. Begin by removing and discarding the two upper fasteners from the rear panel. Next, align the rear bumper with the mounting holes on the rear panel, and loosely install the two provided longer fasteners. Then, install the two provided shorter fasteners into the bumper, and secure to the pre-drilled holes in the vehicle frame. Torque the fasteners to specification. Finally, torque the upper fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.